It's not just the sweetest gift, but the easiest. Welcome to my video. I am so excited to share this really quick, beautiful homemade gift for the tea lover in your life. This is just a snippet of what I used on my recipe. Most importantly, you definitely need 2 clean jars. Let's first start with my flower honey recipe. Take out a bowl so that you could really have a lot of room to mix up your flowers. In a bowl, I added some dried roses, followed by some hibiscus. I do love the tartness of hibiscus and it really complements the honey so well. Followed by some chamomile. We all know chamomile and honey are best friends. Give that a good stir, a really good stir, and make sure everything's together. I then added a few sticks of cinnamon, breaking them apart so that they could evenly be distributed among the flowers. I have also tried this recipe with cardamom and star anise. Absolutely fantastic combinations. Or if you know what teas your loved one loves to drink, why don't you use that to inspire what type of honeys you'd make for them? Into a clean jar, I added my dried flowers and the cinnamon, filling it up about 3/4 way. Don't the scattered petals look so beautiful? In goes the honey. You can use whatever honey you want, but my tip is, if the honey is solid, warm it gently over a pot of hot water before you pour it into your flowers. You'll need it to be as runny as possible so that it gets into all the corners and all the bits so that it starts to really infuse and take in the flavors of the flowers and the cinnamon. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at her, ready for her camera shots. And that's that. You just close it up and let's move on to the second recipe. I wanted something a little bit tart, a little bit different. So I thought, let's try lemon and lavender. That is a flavor combination that is also a classic that is beautiful to drink in a tisane or with a light black tea. I made sure to chop up the lemon into bits that were small enough to comfortably fit in a cup. I then added some dried lavender flowers. And then I poured the glorious honey over it. Just look at it drizzle down. All the crevices, the corners. I just know this is going to be one of my favorite combinations to drink during the winter time. Something tart yet flowery. Divine. But I was creating this to inspire you to create a gift, not just for myself. So pushing down the honey, I decided to add a few slices at the top, just for presentation, just for that je ne sais quoi, just to give it a little bit more something, so that once you open the jar, you know what it is. You know, you already met with this beautiful bright color of yellow from the lemon and do you see where I was going with it? Don't we just love that little bit of effect? Thoughtfulness is everything when it comes to homemade gifts. You can definitely stop at the honeys, but I think adding a jar of some loose leaf tea just adds another extra little touch. For the gift I am creating in today's video, I decided to pick Jasmine Pearls. They are some of the most beautiful loose leaf teas I have in my cupboard. Through the power of editing, I am going to show you how they just blossom into little leaves of joy in a cup. Not necessary, because I feel like the honey already is such an impactful gift, but tea lovers do love loose leaf tea. Anyway, let's put this together. As I said, I wanted to keep this really simple and affordable gift, very easy to do. So I just took a box and I covered it with some hessian. I filled it up with some shredded paper and I tucked in the jars of honey in there. It's simple, it's rustic, it says made at home with love. There's nothing wrong with that. I absolutely love how it came together. I got a last minute idea. I thought I could add as well a little tea sieve. What do you think? As you can tell, this is such a customizable gift. Just think outside the box and think about the person you're creating this for and be inspired by the things that they love or the person that they are. Down in the description box, I am going to make sure to leave as much information as I can. Some retailers that I love to buy some of the things that I've mentioned in this video. Don't forget to put a bow on that gorgeous little present. Because bows say I love you, don't they? They say, open me, I'm a present, I was made for you. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you find value in this video. I'm wishing you a very sweet, kind, loving holiday season. My name is Ijeoma, and I'll see you soon.